What is going on, you all? Today is a very special day because today I finally released the first ever project since I decided to revive this channel. To our new viewers, I am Abby Omisol, an electrical engineer by day, hobbyist by night, and I strongly believe that learning by heart is way better than being naturally smart. I created this channel to encourage like-minded people who loves to do DIY projects and innovate inventions at home, which I'm proud to call Innoventors, and hoping to create a fun, interactive community. With that out of the way, let's now go turn this into this. Making another griller is not as exciting, and out of curiosity, I think of making it the first DIY electric barbecue griller. The challenge for this project is how to effectively make this electrically and thermally insulated. We'll go more into the details as we go in the construction, so it is important to stay tuned. First, I depressurize the tank by opening the valve right here on top. Then, I fill the tank with water to force any residue out, then drain it afterwards. I repeated this a couple of times. Next, I cut the tank in half and grinding it up to remove the rust and unwanted attachments. Since the tank is too short, I wanted to extend this. To do that, I used this 1 inch by 2 mm thick flat bar. I made this bending rig using a 26mm bearings and a piece of 16mm plywood. This is not fully adjustable, but this will get the job done. Next, I started welding the rounded flat bars. And just a disclaimer, this is my first welding project, so forgive me with my beginner skills. I then connected the two parts and made it into a single piece again. I decided to install the stand first so it is easier to do the cutting since I don't have any working table. My beginner skills has nothing to do with misalignment. Just kidding. I was kinda rushing things out because I am eager to finish the project. I then cut the top to serve as a cover, like so. Use these door hinges to hold the cover. Wow, you're still here! If you like the things I do and the interest of this channel, do me a favor, subscribe and click the bell button to get notified. Show me some love. This is our channel. I started drilling the griller using a 5.5 drill bit like so, then again made a thread using a hand tap. We will be supplying 240 volts into the heating element, so I need to find a material which is thermally and electrically resistant. And the thing I find is this plaster of Paris. Next is to think of a way to make what I call an insulating post. I found an aluminum tube which is supposed to be for our cabinet, but my wife is so understanding and supportive, so I drilled a hole and made a thread using a hand tap. Cut it into 15mm each. I then used the other half of the bolt from my failed attempt, screw it in, and filled each of it with plaster of Paris. As I painted the griller, I did not turn on the GoPro since my neighbor was having a concert. It was too late for me to realize that I am almost done with the painting, so instead, let's hear our neighbor singing a popular song of Morissette, Amon. I will be using this nichrome wire as my heating element. It's about 7mm in diameter. By the way, all of the components I use in this project is in the description below. should you plan to do this project at home. Now, I proceeded in installing the heating element. I cut it so it is a lot easier to install. I improvised this log to connect the heating element in series. By the way, the wire I'm using are designed to withstand high temperature. It has a protective fiberglass coating. I am a day job worker as well, so as much as I wanted to finish everything in this video, I don't have much time, so I have to make this project a two-part video. In the next video, I will make the electronic control board using Arduino, put a grab handle and cover the heating element with stainless steel sheets to protect it from any juices that might drip off. That's all for now. Till next time, only here at Home Innovations. See you on my next video.